Apparently I can. You know, I'm gonna kill you just to be sure. Oh. Well, shit. I'm just gonna go this way then.
Be the only one use your stun baton.
Yeah, because I need battery packs to refill. There is drool.
Yeah, see, it popped up when you were walking towards it.
Alright, where am I going? Down that way? Great.
Damn it.
I'm sorry, what?
Again, it popped up as you were going under it.
That's retarded.
Yes, it is.
That's riggedy rickroll retarded. We've been doing this for 12 minutes!
What is my life?
Huh? Huh? Damn it.
Heroin.
Oh yeah, cocaine. It's a hell of a drug.
Don't do heroin.
What the fuck? Oh, it's debris. I thought it was like a giant alien xenomorph moving past the window for a moment. I'm like, what
Don't even fucking scare me like that.
the fuck is that shit? Because for a minute it looked like it. It's like,
We've already dealt with one alien.
we don't need
bad
giant
enough.
aliens looking in on us now. What the fuck? You die too often? Giant xenomorph appears out the window? Hi, kids. Death.
That would be actually funny. You die too often, and so you are forced to die again.
To a giant xenomorph named Steve.
Why Steve?
I don't know, everything's Steve to me. That's all Steve with me. Hey, get it?
No.
Good.
What am I even fucking doing here
Although,
still?
damn, look at that watch.
I need a fucking sandwich.
No
What? I'm hungry.
No sandwiches here. No sandwiches here.
Fucking hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Sue me.
That is not true. I gave you handfuls of popcorn.
Oh, thank you, Master.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
I love my handfuls of popcorn like I'm a fucking gerbil.
Oh, yeah, no problem. No problem.
I'm gonna fucking raid your fridge after this.
You leave my fridge alone. It's done nothing to you.
I'm gonna fuck it up like I told the hun.
Are you okay? Ripley. That's right. That's right. You wanna go? I'll fight you, bitch. Fucking stab you in the no-nos. I'm gonna shove this up his ass. Give me a second here.
I'm not stopping you.
Oh, he's actually going farther. Okay, never mind. I'll just do this. He's gonna come back around, and then I'm gonna kill him. Okay, backwards E. Jesus, loves the Pokemon. And
Pokemon's
the claw.
awesome. The claw. The claw.
You look very distressed, my friend.
Defect?
What?
I heard the sound and I was like, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, that's everything going apeshit.
Okay, watch out for the waterfalls of drool.
All right, Mom.
Now.
Huh.
See, it takes a second. You hear him get there, and then it takes a moment to actually be there.
I'll need this.
Down and to the left.
Can't see anything with this light in the way.
Don't hold it!
Oh.
That would have been helpful.
Ambulance bay. Yeah, all it did was show the ambulance bay. Gonna start some shit.
Ooh.
Gotta start some shit.
Just gotta be real careful.
I'm just gonna go this way.
Where are we at?
Un momento, por favor. We're there.
Okay, yeah, we're going the right way.
It's just I didn't want to go that way because there was a dude.
Yeah, I agree.
Dudes equal dude. Oh. Hi. Hi! Snapped his neck like chicken bone.
And took him away.
Did it? No, his body's still there. It just... Yeah. Hi! Okay, so we gotta go that way.
Yeah.
Aliens that way.
We just gotta wait. Oh, please move forward a little bit so he doesn't see the feet.
You go that way, buddy?
Please go that way.
We greatly appreciate it. Thank you!
Thank you for the contribution of you not killing us fund.
He's gonna come around that corner, though.
Oh, yeah.
It's all about the fucking mind games. All about the fucking mind games, yo.
Push the limit there.
Why are there cameras? Hi!
That's why!
Well...
I don't think those are cameras.
Bombs. Well, I think it was a security system with motion tracking and lights and cameras to see the alien go boom.
That would make the most... That would make the most sense, but now we have to run.
Wait. Is that the ladder? It is!
This?
Wouldn't you burn your hands or legs or something?
Oh, yeah, you probably are. I mean, you can technically see that the frickin' ladder is red hot.
Come
You're
on.
gonna be mashing X a lot.
Come on, Rapley! Just random shit falls.
That happens in every climbing sequence, though.
Where am I going? Really?
Jump!
No! Don't die!
Oh,
Rapley.
please don't fucking die.
Rapley, I believe in you. Why did everything glitch out and show the floor again?
Yeah. I'm not the only one that noticed that.
Tyler was talking about explosions in that one episode. Now we've seen them. Whoa. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Everything was glitching out. Where am I going?
I think ahead. The only place to go.
Look at that. Look at the little bursts of, like, light in my eyes.
Yeah, that's a really minor detail.
Yeah, but no, it's like everything's glitching in those bursts.
Yeah.
See? Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What the fuck is that?
It's amazing is what it is.
Whoever designed this game deserves an award.
The game is not perfect, that is for sure, but this game is fun.
Goofiest shit in A.
Goofy as shit.
I'm gonna climb down here and then he's just gonna be sitting there waiting going, hi.
He's gonna fucking numb our buttholes.
Ripley might like that.
You're not wrong. What? Why is there scrap in the... Nope. Nope, not questioning it.
Too late, you already did.
Look for a save point.
Oh, there is one. You can hear it beeping at me.
Then fucking do something about it.
I think it's in that room, though. Can't get in there. The elevator. To Sigson Senthutax! Caught in a trap.
When we find a save point, you know, that'll be nice.
Don't you tell me what to do. You're not my supervisor.
No one's our supervisor.
I'm my supervisor.
Are you your own person?
I'm my own boss. I'm my own grandpa.
Ew. Calm down, Philip J. Fry.
That'd be the weirdest thing to be your own grandpa. So wait, you fucked your mom? Yes.
No, you fucked your grandma to make your mom or
No,
dad.
No, to be your own grandpa, you would have to... I know, you'd have to have sex with your grandma to give birth to your mom or your dad. And then they have to have sex with your mom or dad to give birth to you so you can be your own grandpa.
Yeah, you're technically your own grandpa. It's the fucking Futurama episode.
Yeah.
Where Fry is actually his own grandfather.
Are you stating that clarification for them?
Kinda? I don't know. I know not everyone watches Futurama, but still, you should.
Is that a body? Oh, no, it's cool.
Oh.
Why are there random gun bullets?
The fuck?
My cat's sitting outside the room saying, play with me.
I think that's Osiris.
No, that's Smokey. Smokey Bem.
Smokey Bemu.
No, that's her. I can tell because of the meow. His is more hers is more meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
His is a little more high pitched.
Aha! Freedom!
Save point!
Save point! Charge back!
Let's
Set them on fire, yes. Excellent. Well, save first, then set on fire and die. That's my plan.
let's not.
No, I want to kill them. What? I haven't killed anything all episode.
You're not supposed to kill stuff in this game.
That's what you think.
Oh my god.
That's what you think. We'll see you next time, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit.